In this video, you'll learn how to enable auto-suggest in the web version of Perplexity AI. This feature enhances your experience by providing drop-down and tab-complete suggestions as you type a query. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in the URL for Perplexity AI and press Enter to navigate to the site. Once the page loads completely, you will be presented with the main interface of Perplexity AI. Look for the profile icon located in the bottom left corner of the screen. This icon typically resembles a person or user silhouette. Click on this icon to reveal a menu of options related to your account settings. After clicking on the profile icon, a menu will appear. From this menu, select Preferences to access various settings that you can customize. This will take you to a new screen where you can modify different aspects of your experience. Once you are in the Preferences section, you will see several categories related to your settings. Locate the Appearance option and click on it to proceed to the appearance-related configurations. This area allows you to adjust how the interface looks. Scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Auto Suggest. This section contains the toggle switch that controls the Auto Suggest functionality. To enable this feature, click on the toggle switch to turn it on. When toggled on, you will notice that drop-down and tab-complete suggestions will now appear while typing your queries. After enabling the auto-suggest feature, it is advisable to test it out. Begin typing a query in the main search bar and observe how the suggestions enhance your input process. This feature can significantly improve your efficiency when searching for information. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.